Hey you guys, this is your boy J-Hen with J-Hen Travel and Life, and right now we have this natural wood toilet stool that I just got off of Amazon. I'm going to be doing an unboxing, putting it together. This right here is lightweight, functional, and it's very easy to put together. It's like a squatty potty. You can use this for that perfect posture when you're going to the bathroom. It's only 4 easy steps to put it together. About to show you guys how fast it is to put this together. This right here, it's all natural wood. It's 16.5 inches long, 8.5 inches wide, and it's 7 inches in height, and its arc shape is supposed to be able to fit like most toilets. And like I said, it's easy to put together. So let's go. Keep watching this video. I'll leave a link down in the description for everything that you see in this video. Let's go. It should be very easy to put together. It's all done. It's all complete. We got that fixed in less than 10 minutes. There we go, you guys. Again, check that description. It was real easy to put together. All ready to go. Now I need some privacy, you guys. I'll see you later. Peace.